At JD Edwards, we constantly strive to improve user experience. With this in mind, we bring to you an improved online help system that you can configure based on your requirements. If you use UPKs in your environment, you can now easily configure your online help system to enable users to access the UPK resources and the documentation help separately through the online help option available from within an application. This helps save users time as they are directed to only the information that they really need. What's more, you can now access learnjde.com, the JD Edwards resource library from within Enterprise One. Let's take a quick look and see how the new and improved online help works when you configure both UPK and documentation help. Let's say that you are using the address book application and you need some quick help with this application. You turn to the online help to look for more information about this application. Here you can choose whether to look up the UPK resources or the Enterprise One documentation for the information that you are searching for. Clicking the UPK help link opens the UPK documentation. When you click the E1 help link, Enterprise One searches the online documentation library for topics containing the program ID that corresponds to the application that you're using, which in our example is the address book application or P01012. All the topics pertaining to P01012 are listed here, and from here you can further drill down to locate any specific information that you are looking for. And if you still can't find what you're looking for, we have more options for you to look at. Welcome to learnjde.com. LearnJDE is the online storehouse for all the resources related to JD Edwards, and you can now access this repository directly from within Enterprise One. Whether it's JD Edwards product documentation, product collaterals, educative how-to tutorials, quick tours of features or products, or new features, you can find them all here. With the new and improved help system and the capability to access LearnJDE from Enterprise One, you can now rest assured that you will find all the JD Edwards Enterprise One information that you need when you need it. Thanks for watching.